I want to big up our councillor, Mr. Mannion, and Darrell Valls, and I hope for a better.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes, you are going now. You think you think, look.
We take it to them, man.
Yeah.
A 3-piece strip.
Yeah.
Then can't hold it.
Yeah.
While I read him, I don't take what they said. Right?
You don't know the song you can carve it, you go to next media.
Yes, people say it was a very peaceful day with both sides. PNP on one side, and you have the Jamaica Labour Party on one side. So everything runs smooth so far as it. Yeah. Yeah, people said the day runs smooth so far. I was gonna see what I'm going to say. Yeah, man, both sides run smooth and everything, I see it.
Yeah, good up, yeah. Where? We don't see her.
Yeah, people right now with the around the office, that's it. Yeah, this is a man yard office. And you don't know, so little later from this, when everything over and the vote gone in and thing around here, so everybody are got there. The around here so I got full up of people. So I'm show now what I'm going. Yeah, this is man yard office. You're right up the same office there. So you know, so around here so I got full up later. Yeah man, around here so the celebration I'm going to little more from this, I see it. Yeah man. Thing look good so far, I see it people. Up and running.
Yeah, beautiful day.
You see general.
Yes,
You think the thing are going good.
Yes, sir.
Alright, boss.
Yes, man. Good
General,
job.
always there.
Pick up yourself, sir.
I still the thing there, you see it?
Yes,
Yeah
man.
man, struggle in the street.
Yeah, man.
Yeah man, big up yourself.
Alright.
Yeah.
With the camera on, no?
Yeah, live and direct, yeah.
Big up here, sir.
Yeah, one Mr. Vaz. Yeah.
Alright, Brownie.
See the people, so they do. Alright, people say it thing look like it run smooth so far, is it? So this is show now how going. This is the Labour side right this one. We don't see PNP side yet. Over there so you have a polling station. Yeah, up and running.
Yeah, man, I'm good, man.
Yeah, people so them are rejoice and all that. They want to say the thing are going on, you know. Can see a few, man.
I'll be the
Yes, they are going, you know. General, they are saying.
How about this?
It's a mic. Now put it away more.
This?
Yeah. Yes, you are going, you know. You think you think, look.
We take it to them, man.
Yeah.
A 3-piece strip.
Yeah.
Then can't hold it.
Then can't hold it, yeah. All them a try.
While I read him, I don't take one himself. Right? Hold it back.
Alright, my bad. Where's the justice? Where's the justice? Are you not? As you can see what's going on now, people them a pack up here now, you see it? Yeah man, them a pack up the tent and something you know, so you know, so yo, I hate that now.
Alright, this is Sidine Merchant, and today we have a pleasant day, no violence, and I want to big up our councillor, Mr. Manian, and Daryl Valls, and I hope for a better councillor around here.
Yeah, so how did the day go?
The day was okay, no violence, and it was a pleasure. There was a lot of people there, and it was so good.
Okay, so so you rate the day overall?
Yeah, I rate the day overall.
Good.
Yeah.
Okay, so and you say no violence or nothing at all?
No violence.
Okay, so it's a peaceful day.
It was a peaceful day.
Yes. Yeah. So who are big up?
I want to big up our councillor who's running for Chepstow, Manian, Mr. Manian.
Okay. Alright, bless you.
Is that video?
Victory, a new Jamaica we want to see. Jamaica, Labour Party. A bright young leader. Vote for Labour. Vote for Labour. Knock up your neighbor. Vote for Labour. Everybody vote for Labour. Take home the victory.
Oh, go on. A video made it today. It's one night, it's dark. I have a flash. Yo. Welcome, bro.
Ikaw na